let me show you how you can generate an entire article from just one PDF. Stick around to find out. Hi, my name is Arshikani, and today I'm going to show you how you can generate articles. It's like a shorter article type out of a PDF. So where does this article going to be used? Well, that can be your newsletter, that can be updates on your Slack or your Discord channel or whatever, right? And the basis of things is that you find yourself a PDF that you find interesting. So here we have a PDF file on context engineering. And all you have to do is just copy the URL and paste it into our run flow. So you just paste it here and then voila, you got yourself a blog. Now, how are we going to get a blog and what does the blog look like? Well, let me show you. So this is our article. So this is just like a new era of language development. This is just LLM training stuff. It's going to give you some use cases. And then some personalized stuff on FlowHunt because that's what we prompted it to do. You have a little bit of FAQ here as well. And it's going to have like different related articles. Now, why would it have related articles? I will show you now. So the way this flow works is that your URL, the content of your PDF, is going to be extracted by the URL retriever. It's going to go to your first sequential task. Now, this sequential task, is tasked with this task, which is generate a perfect structure for a new article ranking high on Google, analyze similar pages ranking high for similar products, and define perfect structure for the article. So basically, this is a competitor analysis step. This is the first step. It's going to go on Google, search for other PDFs and other pages that are talking about context engineering, and it's going to extract their information and then give it to the next agent, which is the copywriter. Now, the copywriter is just basically use all the information at your disposal to generate this. We also gave it an extra prompt that it has to link it to FlowHunt because we want to put it as a newsletter or we want to post it as a blog post. That's why it has to be connected to FlowHunt for us. But we don't have it here in this specific one. But after the blog post is generated, there's another step which I've disconnected for now. But normally, this goes into context and into documents retriever. Now, I haven't actually shown you the result of what happens when this is not connected. So the result that you saw is with this little component connected already. So what is this? This last step is a AI humanizer. So we just gave it to a generator with a prompt that, make this sound natural and written by a human. So that if you think your customer base or if your audience doesn't enjoy reading AI generated content, you can add this little extra step. It usually, I would say 60 to 70% of the time, shorten your articles. It won't be as long and rich and detailed as you would like, but it makes it sound a lot more human. It makes it sound handwritten by humans, and depending on your audience, I would say it's either worth it or it's not. You can find this flow if you go to Flow library, and if you just search for a PDF, you're going to find it on the first one. This is PDF to article, and you can add to flows, and voila, you can use it. You can generate as many articles as you want from PDFs as you want. If you have any questions about this flow, make sure to leave in the comment section down below. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful day.